There's a new wrinkle in the country's territorial dispute with China in the West Philippine and South China Seas. An outrageous and ludicrous claim the Batanes Island group is historically owned by China. If so, the Chinese government, with their crack group of scholars, can file a case with the Permanent Court of Arbitration at The Hague like the Philippine government did and succeeded 10 years ago this weekend. As we hear more from Patrick De Jesus.
The government immediately rejected the circulating information claiming that Batanes is also allegedly part of China. This was the belief of some Chinese scholars who made a statement during a symposium in China in response to the delimitation talks between the Philippines and Japan. The Chinese scholars claimed that Philippines' control over the Batan Islands has no legal basis, saying the islands are allegedly under the jurisdiction of Taiwan, which China considers a breakaway province. Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. called the claim a big nonsense that should be immediately refuted.
Sa kanilang closed society, sa tao nila, naniniwala ang mga tao nila dito. Kaya nila, brainwashed ang mga tao nila. So, ito'y concerning, kaso ito'y dapat labanan. All academics in the world should douse cold water already on this theory. Kalokohan na yan eh.
The Defense Secretary further said this may be considered as part of China's true intention to gain full control of the region.
It also validates yung sinasabi natin na they have the plan to control the whole Pacific Ocean. What is this for, right? And we know, walang basihan ito, kalokohan ito. And it's ludicrous. Hindi na nila tayo masisisi, no? Sa feeling laban sa kanila. At ito'y malaking krimen sa mga mamamayan nila.
In the monitoring of a maritime security think tank in recent months, China's patrols in the eastern portion of Taiwan and Batanes extend beyond its 10-dash line claim.
They then assembled the scholars to give them the legal overlay, the veneer, to be able to justify what they wanted to do anyway. So we call this a pretext to escalate. The pretext was the talks. The escalation now is underway.
The Chinese embassy has yet to respond if the Chinese government supports the statements of Chinese scholars regarding Batanes.
Alam naman natin ang Chinese embassy laging align ang kasinunghalingan nila mula mainland China hanggang dito sa embahada nila. Baka next week ang kinina rin nila ang Ilog Pasig, no? So we just have to keep on telling the international community that these are all lies.
The Philippine Coast Guard, in coordination with the Armed Forces of the Philippines, assured that there are ships and other assets conducting patrols in the northern part of the country. Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.